Hi guys, Chox here, and welcome back to the Moon and Space playlist. I am in a new location. A murder of crows flying above my head. But it was so smoky, hazy, cloudy here today. I just found the moon. It's up over there, over the horizon, over those trees. Can you see it through the smoke and the haze? Oh, it's just about to dig behind a cloud. No! Alright, so A, I found it. B, maybe I can position myself on the other side of the tracks to get it with a train coming. And C, yay, this is 106 degrees. So here we are. Welcome to the Moon and Space playlist. I hope I get a better shot of this. Otherwise, I'll have to wait until tonight. You all know this is a big one in the works for me. A train with a moon behind it. Can you see it kind of fading in and out there? Come on, camera, don't be like that. There we go. Poof, and then it was gone. There's clouds, there's smoke, there's wind. So this is the full pink moon. It's a little pink behind those clouds. Well, let's give it a couple of minutes and see what happens. Alright, we're back. It is later. How much later is it? The clouds are still playing silly buggers. Oh, it's almost 10. Almost 10. Here we go. Come on, focus. So it's the full pink moon. Let's get my notes out here. 99.1% full. It looks way cooler than my camera's picking up right now. Oh, come on, dude. You know, I've been trying to get that train moon thing going on, and it's been the ultimate challenge. So if you have an opportunity to do that, I highly suggest it. It's kind of a crazy thing. Oh, here comes some clouds. Well, it's also called the full sprouting moon, full grass moon, egg moon, or fish moon. I hear voices. I think people are out walking. Whatever. It's named the full pink moon from the little pink flowers that pop up this spring, like in the springtime. Oh, come on. That looks pretty cool. Bear with me, guys. I have a bit of a cold right now. So it's April 29th, 2018. This is our full April moon. Whoa. This is so weird because it looks way different to the naked eye than what my camera is saying it's doing right now. It's actually kind of orangey pink from what I can see, and the camera has it in very, very grayscale. That's crazy wild. It is a little windy. I think I need to learn how to film the northern lights. There's geese off in the background. And there goes the moon. Oh, there's a bigger cloud coming in. Well, I think I'm going to go in and try to capture this again later. Give it another half hour or so. Oh, and look at what happens as soon as I walk away. All the birds are saying good night. I hear ducks and geese and crickets. Would like to see more bats because they eat mosquitoes. Oh, that looks so cool with that cloud going in front of the moon. Alright, you guys, that is it for me. Thanks so much for hanging out here with me in the Moon and Space playlist. Please feel free to click one of those boxes hanging out around the moon, and it'll take you to the playlist itself so you can see all the other space videos I have, or whatever YouTube recommends for you to view next. Please feel free to click the subscribe button and hit that little notification. I upload every full moon. Thanks for hanging out here with me, and I will see you again on the channel soon. Bye-bye.